Wastewater come from human, industry, and agriculture must be treated before they are released into the environment or before they are made into potable water which can be safe to drink. There are several pollutants in wastewater. First, there are the human waste, where human waste contain bacteria and high nitrogenous waste, and this waste can be very toxic to the aquatic ecosystem. The industrial waste, the main problem is that industrial waste contain toxic chemicals, while agriculture waste can contain pesticides and fertilizers which also disturb the ecosystem. To treat wastewater and change it into potable water, you need to do several steps. The first step is that wastewater or groundwater has to go through coarse filters for screening and grit removal, where the large particles are removed. And then the water that comes out after the coarse filter are passed through sedimentation tank. Sedimentation allows for the small particles to precipitate, and we then have the sediment, which is the part which is going to precipitate, which contains the small particles, and we're going to have the effluent, which is the top part. Each part will be treated differently. So the sediment, this forms what we call the sewage sludge, and this will be digested anaerobically by specific bacteria. These specific bacteria will then digest the organic waste within the sewage sludge and will produce methane gas. The methane gas can then be used as a source of energy. The remains from after treatment with anaerobic bacteria can then be used as fertilizers. The effluent, on the other hand, will be treated with anaerobic bacteria, which will reduce the volume of solid waste. The aerobic bacteria as well is going to destroy the remaining organic waste and any remaining waste. Sometimes the effluent that comes from wastewater will contain toxic material and it needs to be treated differently as well, either passing it through chlorine, ozone, or UV radiation for sterilization and purification, where it can be reused as potable water, or by adding chemicals, and these chemicals will precipitate